Hi, welcome to Million Tutorial Session. We learn about how to maintain allowance and deduction in Million Payroll. First, allowance. Go to Employee menu and click on Allowance. Press the Add button to add a new allowance. Select a wages type and select whether this allowance wanna included in the calculation of EPF, taxable, and SOCSO. Well, here's the place for you to set your own formula if you need it. And next, go through the same way as allowance. Here you can see the allowance and deduction that you have added. That's all. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy.